Good morning, children. Today we will discuss how to prepare acid. Method of preparation of acid is today's topic. So let's see how acids are prepared. Many methods are used for the preparation of acid. Among one is synthesis method. Synthesis method. Synthesis means combination method. Okay, elements combine together to form an acid. Okay, this method is used to prepare binary acid. Binary acid means an acid consisting of two elements. An acid consisting of two elements is known as binary acid. So synthesis method is totally used for the preparation of binary acid. For example, when hydrogen gas combined with chlorine, it forms binary acid HCl. When hydrogen combined with bromine, it forms binary acid hydrobromic acid. When iodine reacts with hydrogen, when it combined with hydrogen, it forms hydroiodic acid. When sulfur undergo reaction with hydrogen, it forms hydrogen sulfide. These are the binary acids because they are consisting of two elements, right? So synthesis method for the preparation of an acid is used to prepare binary acid, right? Now come at next method for the preparation of acid. Next method is by the action of water on non-metallic oxide. By the action of water on non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide is also known as acid oxide. Non-metallic or acid oxide, right? For example, sulfur trioxide. When water molecule act over SO3, it forms sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Right? When sulfur dioxide react with water molecule or water act over SO2, it forms sulfurous acid. Right? When CO2 react with water molecule, CO2 plus water molecule, it forms carbonic acid H2CO3. Similarly, phosphorus pentaoxide is also an acid oxide or non-metallic oxide. When water molecule act over P2O5, it forms H3PO4. Okay. To balance this chemical equation, you have to put stoichiometric coefficient 3 and 2. Similarly, nitrogen pentaoxide N2O5, when it reacts with water molecule, it also forms acid. Nitric acid is formed. Okay. To make it balanced, we can put stoichiometric coefficient 2 here. Okay. So when water molecule act over non-metallic oxide or acid oxide, it forms which type of acid? Oxyacid. Oxyacids are formed. Okay. So by the action of water on non-metallic oxide, oxyacids are formed. Oxyacid we have already discussed in the previous video. Okay. An acid containing oxygen along with hydrogen and some other element is known as oxyacid, right? If we talk about nitrogen dioxide, it is also a non-metallic oxide, but when it reacts with water molecule, when water acts over this oxide, it forms two type of acid, nitrous acid and nitric acid. HNO2 and HNO3 is formed when water acts on nitrogen dioxide. That's why NO2 is called mixed or double acid anhydride. Due to this reason, NO2 is known as mixed oxide or double acid anhydride. Double acid anhydride. Right? Next method is by the oxidation of non-metal. By the oxidation of non-metal. Oxidation of non-metal. So non-metal like sulfur, phosphorus, they undergo oxidation in presence of a strong oxidizing agent, nitric acid. In presence of a strong oxidizing agent, nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid is used to oxidize sulfur and phosphorus. Okay, so they oxidize in presence of concentrated nitric acid HNO3 to form respective acid. Okay, like sulfuric acid is formed here, H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2O. Okay, so now here concentrated sulfuric acid is acting as a strong oxidizing agent to form sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide and water molecule. To make it balanced, you have to put here stoichiometric coefficient 6 here, because 6 nitric acid, so 6 NO2 will form and 2H2 and 2 H2O. Okay, let's see for phosphorus. Phosphorus also undergo oxidation in presence of concentrated nitric acid to form phosphoric acid, H3PO4 plus how many NO2? 5 nitric acid, that's why 5 NO2 will form along with formation of water molecule. How many water molecule? 1 water molecule will form, because 3 hydrogen is here, only 2 are remaining, that will form 1 water molecule. Right? Next method is by displacement method, by displacement process, displacement reaction. Okay, this is very important reaction, and more often it is asked in examination as well, by displacement reaction. Okay, this method is used to prepare a high volatile acid from low volatile acid. High volatile acid from low volatile. In bracket you can write down. This method is used. This method is used to prepare high volatile acid from less volatile acid. Right? So when normal salt of high volatile acid like sodium chloride, normal salt, and this normal salt is prepared by the action of high volatile acid on sodium hydroxide. Okay, so when a normal salt of high volatile acid like sodium chloride react with less volatile acid like sulfuric acid, it forms high volatile acid HCl along with the formation of sodium hydrogen sulfate, NaHSO4 plus HCl molecule. One more example we can see. A normal salt of high volatile acid, nitric acid, it reacts with sulfuric acid, a less volatile acid, to form NaHSO4 plus HNO3. So here HCl and HNO3 both are high volatile acid while sulfuric acid is a less volatile acid. I hope you people know the meaning of volatile. Okay, what is volatility? Volatile substance means the substance which easily vaporize. The substance which easily vaporize are known as volatile substance. I hope you people understood how to prepare acid. That's all for today. Thank you.